guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I am sharing another Scrap Your Stash project. The last one I posted you guys really seemed to enjoy, and I did have a need to go through some table scraps today. And basically I was inspired by a conversation I had this morning with my girl Kathy. We were talking about what we were going to do today, and I said that I really did need to go through the scraps on my table because I was basically just piling them up, and then when I got many piles I put them in one big pile, and then when I didn't want to look at the big pile I put my paper trimmer on top of it. But then the paper trimmer was getting a little wobbly, so I decided it was time to put them away or put them to use. So this is just what is left over. Like, this was a full 12 by 12 collection pack. It had the stickers and the cut aparts. And I mean, these are really good images, but they're just a little bit small, and they don't necessarily fit on cards anymore. I'm sure someone could get a fabulous card made out of them, but for me, this is not enough to make a full-size project with, but they are really cute. And I think if you are good at layering, or maybe adding some die-cut doilies, or some chipboard stickers that have flowers or something like that, you can really make a lot of cute. Like, I'm going to keep going with this collection because it's not even gone yet, but there's some border strips here, and I can even mix in other paper collections that coordinate when I get it down to this point. But I think even if you were to cut a tag shape out of what is left, that would be really cute, and then you could add one of the cut aparts and a doily. So we are going to be scrapping our stash today and getting 3 really cute tags and putting this little pile up for the next Scrap Your Stash video. So stick with me and we will make these tags together. Okay, first tag, let's do this. This is a manila folder, and I just put a reinforcing spot on the top and punched a hole. So first thing I'm going to do is wind some of this jute string through it. It's just nice and natural and neutral, and it will go with all of the tags. So make a small little loop and pull it through to the back side. And that is done. So this is going to be all little bitty scraps left over on the desk. Here is a bit of pattern paper from the collection. I didn't measure it to fit perfectly. I just measured it to fit. Here is a journaling card, and it's actually part of the packaging, so I'm going to add that to the middle. This is all really free-form, randomy layering situation. I like this ruler. I'm going to put it there so a little bit of that green will show. And clip off the excess so it doesn't stick to anything. Now we've got some layers building here. Now this is just a die-cut doily. I'm going to put that on with a bit of glue right here. Next is going to be this other doily piece. This is one of the button cards from the cut aparts. This is a really cute green color. It's sort of pastel-like. Put that here. Here is a tiny little sewing image, which is adorable. And that can go right here. You might make sure that you're not extending any of the adhesive out past the side because you don't want it to stick to things. Here is a label and a couple of little stickers. These are dimensional. I have had these in my stash for a very long time, and I think they match that springy color combination very well. Let's put this rosebud going this way, and then decide how I feel about this label. I was going to put it here. Yeah, let's put that there. So that was super fast, tag number 1, and that is done. Okay, tag 2, the same background. This is the manila folder. I've put the reinforcing dot and the twine. And for this one, I'm going to take advantage of the really cute manufacturing strip. It has just a little doodly squiggle, and I think that is totally adorable. So that is going on the bottom. You can put some 110-pound cardstock on the back of these like I usually do. I think that helps to make sure that they're super sturdy. Here is a part of a journal tag that I clipped off, and I really think that it looks cute right here. This is a journaling card, and I did not add adhesive past that line because I didn't want it to stick to anything. So that can go there. And the next piece is going to be that doily again. It's all basically the same plan as the first one, but I'm just changing up the scraps so that I will get unique looks but with the same plan, and that is why it's super fast project. Make sure that you can read those words. This is a tiny cut apart again from that same collection, and I think I'm going to put that here. And then add this sewing image to the top. And I've got 2 more of the tiny dimensional flower stickers. You can add very fancy bows if you like, or some other embellishments like buttons or sequins, but I think that simplicity of these is really the nice thing, because you can sit down and just make a bunch of them and have them ready when you need to give someone a tag. Okay, now we're on to tag 3. Same tag, same twine, same reinforcing spot. This time I'm going in with a really large journal card, and this will fill up the whole width of that tag. Then I've got this extra cute little bias tape image that I clipped from the pattern paper. Then I have a library card, and those are always so cute and vintagey. I've got another die cut doily. Oh, I didn't think that through. Ouch. Went through the holes. Here is another small clipped out doily image. This is the manufacturing strip from the paper, and I think that I just want to put it like right here. I think that will be showing just enough to give some detail. Okay. Next is another one of the sewing images. I don't really ever sew. I can sew. I just usually choose not to. Here is a, where do I want to go with that? Right here? Yeah. Image that was fussy cut from the pattern paper, and then this is a larger of the layered chipboard flowers. They all have a lot of glitter on them, so they're extra embellished. Okay, so here are the 3 tags we created with our table scraps today. If you enjoyed this project, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. You can find links to our social media sites in the description below. We're on Facebook and Instagram and Etsy and our blog. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!